Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of crochet tools, and I'm excited to introduce you to what I believe is the best blocking board for crocheting on the market today, the Iswabard 13 by 13 inch blocking board. This blocking board is a game changer for crocheters, especially those who love creating stunning granny squares. Its dimensions of 13 inches by 13 inches make it the perfect size for blocking small to medium projects. While its sturdy bamboo construction ensures durability and a professional finish every time. What really sets the Iswabard board apart is its thoughtful design. It comes with 15 stainless steel pins, each measuring about 5.9 inches in length. These pins fit perfectly into the pre-drilled holes on the board, allowing you to secure your crochet pieces effortlessly. This design is not only practical but also user-friendly, making it ideal for beginners and experienced crocheters alike. Let's take a moment to see how it works. After completing your crochet squares, simply lay them flat on the board. Insert the stainless steel pins into the holes around the edges, stretching your work to the desired shape. This helps to create crisp, clean lines and gives your crochet projects a polished, professional look. The Iswabard blocking board is also lightweight, making it easy to transport and store. Whether you're crocheting at home or taking your projects to a crafting meetup, this board is the perfect companion. Versatility is key here. This board is suitable for all seasons and works wonderfully with various crochet projects, from delicate shawls to vibrant blankets. The bamboo material is not only aesthetically pleasing but also eco-friendly, which is a fantastic bonus for environmentally conscious crafters. One of the best features is its ability to help you master your crochet skills. Blocking is a crucial step in the crochet process, and having a reliable board like this one simplifies the task. It helps your pieces maintain their shape and dimensions, ensuring that they look their best once completed. In conclusion, the Iswabard 13 by 13 inch blocking board is an exceptional tool for anyone who loves crocheting. Its quality, user-friendly design, and versatility make it a must-have in your crafting toolkit. If you're looking to elevate your crochet projects, this is undoubtedly the best blocking board for crocheting. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights and reviews. Happy crocheting, and we'll see you next time.